Are you looking for something interesting for perhaps yourself, or maybe a gift for someone else you know? Then the Solo Box Man from LoveBoxxx is the perfect choice for you. This box contains various toys for men and is the perfect gift. The box is luxurious, discreet, and comes with a beautiful design, and it contains 7 products. So first up, we have a masturbator. This has a vagina opening like so. Simply take off the cap and it reveals the masturbator sleeve on the inside. The material is very soft and smooth to the touch and is flexible as well. It also has nubbing on the inside to provide wonderful stimulation during use. We recommend using a water-based lubricant with this and to let it dry after cleaning, and you can also use the Fapper renewing powder to make it feel soft over and over again. Once you're done, simply pop the cap back on like so, and it's ready to use again next time. Here we have a cock ring, very stretchy to ensure the perfect fit, and it's also perfect for beginners. The material is silky soft and smooth, and as shown, extremely flexible to ensure a fantastic, wonderful feeling. Also included is a LoveBoxxx luxury toy bag. This is perfect to keep your toys on the go. Simply pop them in like so, and using the drawstrings, simply tighten like so, and no one will ever know. Let's see what we have up next. Here we have a cock and ball ring, perfect with adjustable rings just like here, so you can change and adjust to your size as well. The material is slightly flexible to ensure the perfect fit and feels very soft and smooth, which will provide wonderful stimulation for you. Over here we have an anal plug. Now this is also fantastic for anal stimulation. It has a wide base just here to ensure that it doesn't fall out during use. It's also slightly flexible for a comfortable feeling during use. It's made of a soft silicone material, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel really comfortable during use as well, and has a pointy tip for easy insertion. Wonderful anal stimulation. And last but not least, we have a prostate stimulator. It's got an angled curve just here to effortlessly reach your prostate area. It also comes with a USB charging cable, and it's very simple and easy to recharge. Using the little dot just here, push through the silicone like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now the material itself is made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch, and it's also flexible. To turn on the vibrations using the plus and the minus, simply press and hold down on the plus sign, and a blue light will appear. This indicates the toy is on. Press once more and the vibrations begin. To increase the vibrations, use the plus button, and to decrease the vibrations, use the minus. It provides wonderful pleasure. To turn off, press and hold on the minus, and it's now off. Ready to step up and enjoy yourself? Why not take a look at the link below where you'll find more information about the Solo Man box from LoveBoxxx. Enjoy your next adventure.